All right, guys, Tanome Jackson from Zaapi here. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how to connect your Facebook and Instagram account to your Zaapi account. It's actually very simple. You're just going to go into where it says integrations. You're going to go to Facebook right here, and you're going to go to connect more, okay? So the very first thing you're going to see is this pop-up here is to make sure that you actually have the admin access to your Meta business portfolio. The way you're going to check if you have access to that is you can click this link right here. I'm going to go ahead and click this link here, and it should take you to Meta, and it tells you to go to settings, right? So if I go to settings right here in this link, since I'm logged in on my Facebook, it's going to say that I'm the only person here and I have full control over everything, and I haven't been doing anything on my Facebook account, but you can see right here that I have full control and over everything. So I have admin access. So let's say I want to connect my Facebook and Instagram. I go right here, continue as Tanome Jackson, like that. Opt into all and future pages. And for this one, I can select all the businesses I want to opt in. I want to opt in my Facebook account here that is connected with Meta. And as far as Instagram, do you want to have it connect all future Instagram accounts automatically, or you just want to opt into the current one? This is completely up to you. All right, and now once I hit save, and it says right here, Tanome Jackson, it has been connected to Zaapi.